Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Doctor.
Hello. Boleh dengar suara saya?
Boleh, Doktor.
Boleh,
Tadi
Doktor, boleh.
apa speaker tak cukup kuat. Sekarang dah okey dah. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon. Okay, let us begin our class for today with Umul Kitab Al-Fatihah. Okay, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan yang dihormati sekalian, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning, very good afternoon, sorry. Alright, now we have already covered topic 1, topic 2. Now we are going to cover topic 3 and topic 4, dock equipment and also pallets. Alright, so we don't have many slides, about 30 slides, and I believe that we will finish before 2 p.m. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what is dock equipment? Boleh nampak saya punya slides ni?
Boleh, boleh.
Boleh, Doktor.
Boleh alright. Now, we are talking about dock equipment. Okay, what is dock? Apa benda dock ni? Right, it is a place such as a wharf or platform. Bahasa kita kata platform lah for the loading or unloading of materials. Okay, usually wooden pier used as a landing place or moorage for boats. Okay, so kalau dock ni ialah tempat yang mana kita nak load ataupun unload barang lah. Okay, bila lori kontena sampai, lori kita sampai, okay, so kita nak keluarkan barang dan ni jugalah tempat yang kita nak masukkan juga barang yang kita nak ship kepada kita punya customer. Okay, what is dock equipment? Dock equipment is used at the point where a trailer, shipping container or a rail car is loaded or unloaded. Okay, macam awak nampak gambar ni, okay, brother yang bawa forklift yang baju oranye ni, alright. So dia tengah keluarkan barang daripada lori kontena ni lah. So dock equipment ni kita gunakan ya tempat yang mana trailer ke atau lori kontena kita ke, alright, atau rail car ni barang tu dimasukkan ataupun dikeluarkan daripada kontena atau trailer atau rail car ni lah. Okay, that is about dock equipment. Okay, what is loading dock? A loading dock or loading bay is an area of a building where goods, vehicles are loaded and unloaded. Okay, bila awak tengok kat situ gambar yang sebelah kiri itulah kita nampak lori kontena tu, kontena dia tu panjang tu. Alright, dalam yang ini rasa dalam 40 kaki kot dia punya lori ni, dia punya kontena ni. Alright, so loading dock ni adalah tempat yang mana barang-barang ni kita keluarkan daripada kontena ataupun kita nak masukkan kat dalam kontena. So they are commonly found on commercial and industrial buildings and warehouses in particular. So biasanya kalau loading dock ni adalah kebanyakannya kita dapat lihat di kawasan komersial dan juga bangunan perindustrian lah, dan semestinya lah dekat warehouse Alright, so how is dock equipment used? Dock equipment is used at the point where a trailer, shipping container or rail car is loaded or unloaded. Okay, shipping at the dock faces where outbound shipments leave the facility. Receiving at the dock faces where inbound shipment arrive at a facility yard. If a building has no elevated dock openings or if all dock openings are occupied by other vehicles, loading and unloading can be accomplished in the yard. Okay, so kalau tengok dekat kapal ni tadi, alright, kapal ni tadi, alright, dia punya dock ni open dock lah. So kawasan yang digunakan untuk barang-barang ni, kalau shipping, barang-barang tu kita nak mula hantar kepada customer lah. Kalau receiving, kontainer-kontainer tu baru sampai dan kita nak pindahkan dia daripada kapal tu untuk kita buat put away, sorting apa semua. Kalau yard, bangunan ni dia tak ada elevated dock opening, maknanya dia ruang yang terbuka lah. Okay, biasanya if all dock openings are occupied by other vehicles, loading and unloading can be accomplished in the yard. So selalunya kalau macam kapal ni, alright, kita akan gunakan tempat yang sama lah, loading dock ni untuk dia load dengan unload barang. Okay, next. Okay, dock equipment. Where is dock equipment used? Dock equipment can be found in facilities in nearly every industry. So sekarang ni nak cerita ke awak semua, alright. Apa kita tengok yang IKEA tu. Okay, kat situlah dia punya loading barang-barang dia lah. So dock equipment boleh kita lihat di facility yang di mana semua industri gunakan. You can have a dock equipment at aerospace, appliances, automotive, beverage, chemicals, construction, consumer goods, e-commerce, food, hardware, hospital, manufacturing, materials, processing, paper, pharmaceutical, plastic, retail, warehousing, and distribution. Alright, so here the photo that we provided here, mostly on warehouse and also distributor. Alright, so the warehouse also can become a distribution center as well. Okay, so this is where the function of dock equipment. Alright, so it is not limited at warehouse alone, but it can also be at aerospace, appliance, automotive, beverage, chemicals. So when you have this kind of category, then you as a warehouse manager, what you need to have in mind is that, right, so each facilities, okay, they acquire certain serious attention lah, especially when it deals with chemicals, when it deals with hospitals, when it deals with material processing, pharmaceuticals, because it involves dangerous goods. All right, so it might be explosive, it might be sensitive to skin, sensitive to weather, sensitive to environment. So as a warehouse manager, you have to be very careful on that. Yeah. Okay, next. What are benefits of dock equipment? Apa manfaat ada dock equipment ni? Dock equipment provides a variety of benefits. Ada banyak manfaat. Alright, dock ni. Yang pertama, in terms of communication. So lighting that indicates and directs truck drivers and warehouse personnel that it is safe to park, enter or exit a trailer. Alright, so dock equipment, it provides a communication, because if you really look into the let's say, okay, you look here, alright. Okay, normally there are lighting over here indicating whether, okay, where the trailer should park the vehicle, right? Because we want to do loading and also unloading, and this is on the front part. The on the other side, okay, inside the building, this is where the processing, receiving being done. Alright, so the material handling equipment, these are all the back end that is going to support the processes. So that's why the lighting gives an indicator, okay, where the lorry should park. Okay, is it safe to park there? Is it not safe? So that lighting also plays an important role. Okay, illumination, lighting that extends into the trailer to help warehouse personnel as they load or unload content. Right, lighting that extends into the trailer to help warehouse personnel as they load or unload contents. Right, and then the next one, dock equipment also give benefit in terms of loading and unloading. So the process of loading and unloading should be safe. Meaning to say, by having dock equipment, all right, it provides safe access by bridging the gap between the dock face and trailer, shipping container or rail car. Alright, so proses loading barang dan juga kita nak unload barang ni, okay, dia menyediakan satu akses kepada keselamatan lah, terutamanya bila barang-barang tu kita nak keluarkan daripada trailer ataupun kita nak masukkan barang-barang tu dalam trailer, dalam container. Okay, safety, preventing personnel or loads from tripping or falling through any gap between the trailer, shipping container or rail car and the dock face. Alright. So bila kita ada dock equipment ni, dia akan memberikan memberikan aspek keselamatan lah terhadap loading yang kita nak keluarkan daripada load yang kita nak bawa masuk ke dalam container ataupun kita nak unload barang daripada container. And then the next one on security, all right, with the dock equipment, so it provides securing the transport vehicle to the building to prevent movement until the loading or unloading process is complete, all right. So it also provides a form of security, so that because we don't want the process to be hang or being stopped because of some other reason. So by having dock equipment, it provides a security lah. And then a weather protection, protecting personnel and loads from inclement weather. Alright, so bila ada dock ni, alright, so you see, okay, so here the container, right, they know where to park the lorry, they know where to park the container, they know the lorry driver will have identification where the container should be placed, all right, and then to what extent that he believes that the area here provide a security to the item that he want to unload, right? Okay, next, that is about weather protection. Okay, what is dock levelless? Okay, it is modern equipment designed to facilitate safe and efficient loading and unloading in a warehouse. Alright, so dock levelless is a modern equipment, peralatan moden yang kita reka bentuk untuk mewujudkan keadaan selamat dan mewujudkan kecekapan proses loading dan unloading dekat warehouse. Alright, so you can see that is the dock levelless. Okay, it allows operation to comply with warehouse rules and regulation while providing a streamlined process for shipments and outgoing pallet loads. Alright, so bila ada dock labelers ni, dia membolehkan lah operasi tu di gudang tu mengikut undang-undang dan peraturan yang telah ditetapkan, dan juga dia memberikan proses yang selari lah untuk proses shipment dan juga outgoing pallet load. Outgoing pallet load ni pallet yang berisi barang tu lah. Alright, dock levellers is the most important criteria for the process whereby it will provide safety and increase the productivity. Sebab bila ada dock levellers ni, alright, dia kadang-kadang kita tak tahu yang lori kontainer tu sampai, alright, dia size dia mungkin berbeza. Jadi bila ada dock leveller ni, dia akan membantulah supaya proses kita nak loading and unloading tu berjalan dengan lancar. Three major types of dock levellers. Ada 3 jenis dock levellers yang utama. Number 1 is mechanical dock levellers. Number 2, air powered dock levellers. Number 3, hydraulic dock levellers. Right, so these are the 3 major types of dock levellers. Okay, now we are going to look into the mechanical, yeah. Mechanical dock levelers are an economical, very durable choice for basic use, manually activated, and they are not automatic. Alright, so bila kita kata secara mechanical ni ialah mechanical dock ni adalah sangat ekonomi, yang mana dia sangat basic lah. Jadi kita uruskan dia dan kawal selia dia secara manual dan tidak secara automatic. A dock attendant pulls the release chain which lifts the leveler from its original position. The ergonomic system gives a smooth, consistent transition until it meets the trailer bed. The dock attendants, okay, dia akan tarik dia punya release chain dan leveler tu akan terangkat lah daripada kedudukan asal. So bila ada ergonomic system ni, dia akan memberikan keadaan yang lancar, konsisten, sampailah dock tu dia punya muka ni, alright, muka dia ni bertemu dengan trailer punya pintu lah. So it need to be adjusted according to the seasons due to hot and cold weather fluctuation. Tapi kalau dekat tempat kita dekat Malaysia ni cuaca panas, cuaca hujan je lah. Alright. So kadang-kadang, so here they explain to you because our country is not being affected by the 4 seasons, but for other countries, alright, so they might face the challenge on the 4 seasons. But due to our weather, we just face kita hanya ada sama dengan rainy season je. Okay. However, they incur no energy costs as they are manually operated. So this is also one of the advantage, alright. It doesn't incur that much cost because of they are being manually operated. Kita kawal selia dia secara manual. Next, air-powered dock levelers. Okay, air-powered, yeah. It is semi-automatic using an air-powered system to raise and lower the platform. Yang kalau air power ni ialah dia menggunakan kuasa angin, semi automatic, gunakan kuasa angin untuk angkat dan turunkan platform ni tadi. Alright. Performing safely and efficiently under harsh conditions. They can handle heavy usage with minimal maintenance. Alright, so kita boleh operasikan dia dengan keadaan selamat dan cekap bawah keadaan cuaca yang berbeza-beza lah. Jadi dia boleh diuruskan dengan menggunakan penyelenggaraan yang sangat-sangat minimum. Maintenance is lower because there are minimal moving parts. Okay, penyelenggaraan tu rendah, kurang, tak makan duit banyak sebab dia menggunakan peralatan yang bergerak yang sangat-sangat minimum. They are designed to prevent potential stump out problems. And the technology is used in heavy-duty industries such as construction and mining. Okay, dock leveler yang berkuasa angin ni direka bentuk untuk mengelakkan kebarangkalian stump out. Okay, maknanya stuck, benda ni stuck lah, tak bergerak. And the technology is used in heavy-duty industries. Dan teknologi ni banyak digunakan dalam industri berat, seperti pembinaan dan juga perlombongan. Okay, so these are the function of it. Okay, so this is the explanation on air powered. Yeah. Next, this is about hydraulic dock levelers. These fully automated dock levelers have a push button operation, simplifying loading and unloading. Kalau jenis hidrolik ni dia adalah beroperasi secara automatik sepenuhnya. Okay. Okay, so bila dioperasikan secara automatik secara sepenuhnya, dia ada push button. Ada butang tekan je dah berlakulah operasi tu. Dan dia akan memudahkanlah proses loading dengan unloading. Once activated, the metal lip automatically comes out and is lowered onto the trailer via hydraulic power. Bila kita aktifkan, okay, the metal lip, okay, this is the metal lip, that comes out, akan keluar secara, dia mula-mula dia rapat, tapi bila kita tekan button tu, dia akan terkeluar, tegak kat sini, right? And lower, dan dia akan selaraskan mengikut trailer itulah, menggunakan kuasa hydraulic. So it is designed for high capacity. You will want to look for stability and quality construction. So dia ni direka bentuk untuk kapasiti tinggi. Maksud kata kat sini, kita nak lihat dari segi kestabilan, kita nak lihat dari segi quality. They will require less cleaning and are less susceptible to dust and debris than air-powered units. Okay, dia memerlukan kuranglah dari segi pembersihannya dan tidak sensitiflah kepada debu-debu berbanding dengan air power unit, berbanding dengan unit yang menggunakan kuasa udara ni tadilah. They may cost more upfront, but will have less maintenance in the long run. Okay, untuk mula-mula sekali memanglah memerlukan kos yang agak tinggi. Tetapi untuk jangka masa panjang, okay, penyelenggaraan dia rendah. Okay, the cost of maintenance is something to consider when investing in your business. Okay, kos untuk penyelenggaraan ni adalah satu perkara yang kita kena pertimbangkan lah bila kita nak melabur dalam kita punya perniagaan. That is about hydraulic dock levels. Okay, next. Okay, material handling equipment, MHE related to dock. Kita nak tengok apakah peralatan-peralatan penyelenggaraan bahan-bahan ni yang berkaitan dengan dock. When the shipment arrives, a good material handling process ensures goods get from the dock to the appropriate rack in good time. Bila barang-barang tu sampai, when shipment arrives, container tu sampai, a good material handling process, okay, kalaulah kita punya proses pengurusan bahan ni baik, dia akan memastikan barang-barang ini, alright, diletakkan di rak dalam masa yang ditetapkan. It also accounts for proper control of materials dan juga ia melibatkan kawalan ke atas bahan ni tadi. You can mitigate theft, damage and spoilage with a material handling process that limits access to certain parts of your warehouse to a particular employees. So kita boleh perhatikan dengan teliti lah kebarangkalian untuk berlaku kecurian, kerosakan atau berlaku tumpahan ke, right, yang akan mengganggu lah, okay, setengah fungsi dalam warehouse kita ni, terutama yang melibatkan kita punya pekerja. Finally, proper material handling allows warehouses to store goods in an organized manner that makes it easy to pick and pack inventory for outgoing shipments. Alright, so akhirnya, alright, pengawalan ke atas pengurusan bahan ni tadi akan membolehkan kita punya gudang ni, warehouse kita menyimpan barang dengan keadaan yang baik lah, mudahkan untuk kita pick and pack, kita nak ambil dan juga kita nak bungkus kita punya inventory untuk kita hantar kepada kita pelanggan. Can you imagine what the consequences without MHE are? Boleh tak anda bayangkan apa kesan dia tanpa penggunaan MHE? It will lead to poor material handling which bring impact. So kalaulah tak ada bantuan daripada peralatan pengurusan bahan ni tadi, dia akan menjurus kepada pengurusan barang yang sangat tidak baiklah, yang kurang cekap. So what are the impact? Confusion on product storage, too much walking, cluttered, meaning disorder of aisles, lack of standardization, high losses and damages. Okay, so confusion. Kita akan mendapat mendapati bahawa berlaku kekeliruan terhadap produk yang dalam penyimpanan kita. Dan kita akan melibatkan terlalu banyak perjalanan lah. Okey, bergerak daripada, bukan setakat pekerja yang bergerak, barang-barang tu bergerak. Bila barang-barang yang kita simpan tu bergerak, tendency, there is a potential for the item to get accident, to have spoilage, to get damage. These are the things that we don't want to happen, yeah. Then cluttered disorder aisles, all right, because you don't store the item in order, the correct order. So if it is cluttered, then you have difficulty to find it back, all right. Lack of standardization. Okay, there is a lack of standardization, how you deal with it. And then high losses and damages, akan berlaku banyak kerugian dan juga kerosakan. Okay, these are the things that you have to avoid, yeah, because we want to make sure that whatever things that are being stored in our warehouse always in a good condition. Okay, material handling is the art and science of moving, packaging, and storing of substances in any form. As the material handling involves movement of goods, it is most often performed by specially designed equipment so that they can be accomplished rapidly and efficiently. Right? So bila pengurusan barang ni, okay, dia melibatkan pergerakan barang-barang, okay. So selalunya dilakukan dengan menggunakan alatan-alatan tertentu supaya barang-barang ni dapat diurus dengan teratur, rapidly and efficiently, dengan cekap. Why do we need material handling equipment? Kenapa perlu kita ada penyimpanan barang-barang ni, bantuan barang untuk penyimpanan ni? Because our warehouse operates 24/7. So 24/7 warehouse operations. 24 means 24 hours, 7 means a day, 7 days. So 24/7, 24 hours in 7 days, meaning to say every day is a working day lah. So it is 24/7 warehouse operations. Setiap hari operasi kita dekat warehouse akan bergerak. The load we are talking, if you are dealing with only certain help from human alone without the use of machines, right? So we are dealing with a lot of load, beban tu kita tak tertanggung, ya. And then you are also dealing with aging workforce, all right. This is the fact that you cannot run away. You are also dealing with pekerja-pekerja yang semakin berusia, alright. And then demands for improved accuracy. So you know our customer, they are very demanding. They ordered the item yesterday and they want to be delivered it by today. So the demand of our customer is getting higher. So they wanted you to improve your accuracy. And then shorter lead times, and then reduction in cost. So this is why we need to have material handling equipment. And the choice of equipment very much depends on the product characteristics, the warehouse dimension and environment, the required velocity, quickness of the product through the warehouse, and the available budget. Okay, pemilihan peralatan yang kita nak gunakan untuk membantu material handling equipment ni, dia sangat-sangat bergantung kepada nombor satu, jenis produk. What are the product characteristics? Apa dia punya ciri-ciri lah. Okay, yang keduanya bergantung kepada keluasan warehouse kita dan macam mana keadaan persekitaran dia. Yang ketiganya dia melibatkan kecekapan produk tu kat dalam warehouse tu lah. Dan yang kelimanya bergantung kepada bajet ataupun belanjawan yang diperuntukkan oleh pihak syarikat untuk tentukan banyak mana yang kita boleh belanjakan untuk kita punya material handling equipment. Technology within MHE is fast moving, and although the counterbalance truck remains popular, even after all these years, it is also being adapted to keep up with these advances. Alright, jadi teknologi yang kita gunakan untuk material handling equipment ni bergerak dengan pantas. Dan walaupun kita kata counterbalance trucks ni masih lagi popular setelah beberapa tahun, tapi kita juga kena bersedia untuk kita beradaptasi, untuk kita terima hakikat, untuk kita integrasikan dengan jenis-jenis yang teknologi terkini lah, yang lebih maju kan, yang lebih ke depan. The majority of mechanical handling and storage equipment manufacturers have sophisticated systems, including simulation software that are able to assist companies with their decision as to what type of racking and MHE will efficiently suit their operation. Okay, sekarang ni, okay, suka atau tidak kita berhadapan dengan digitalization. Kita berhadapan dengan Industry Revolution 4.0. Kita berhadapan dengan Internet of Things. Jadi kita berhadapan dengan bermacam-macam perubahan baru lah. Hold on Okay, alright. So now we look at the objective of material handling. Apa objektif kalau kita gunakan untuk penggunaan bantuan, alat bantuan pengurusan barang ni? So number one, increase the usable capacity of the warehouse. Right. Number two, improves operating efficiency. Number three, improves work safety. Number four, improves labor productivity. And number five, reduce costs. Right. So these are the main objective. When we talk about increase the usable capacity of the warehouse, okay, bila kita gunakan alat bantuan ni tadi, okay, alat bantuan pengurusan bahan barang-barang ni tadi, alright, so kita tingkatkan penggunaan ruang kat dalam warehouse ni. The height of the building should be fully utilized. Ketinggian bangunan tu kita patut gunakan sebaik mungkin, alright. Aisle space should be as narrow as possible just to allow the efficient movement of material handling equipment. So ruang laluan ni mesti sesempit mungkin lah, bertujuan untuk kita nak pastikan pergerakan yang cekap material handling equipment kita. Okay, ni adalah tujuan kita ada material handling ni. The next is about improves operating efficiency. Bila kita ada alat-alat bantuan ni, dia akan menjadikan proses operasi kita menjadi lebih cekap. Tingkatkan kita punya productivity, efficiency, kecekapan kita. Kita akan meningkatkan juga aspek keselamatan. Alright, so we want our staff to do their very best. At the same time, alright, we want our staff to improve their work safety. Alright. Then improves labor productivity. Dia akan juga meningkatkan productivity pekerja kita. Dan dalam masa yang sama, dia dapat mengurangkan kos. Right, itu adalah tujuan kita lah. So that is why we need a material handling equipment. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, next. Okay, now we move to pallets. Alright, pallet ni bahasa mudah kita tempat letak barang lah. A pallet is a flat transport structure that supports goods in a stable fashion while being lifted by a forklift, pallet jack, front loader or other jacking device. Right, pallet ni adalah kita kata struktur rata, okay, yang untuk mengangkut, okay, barang-barang lah. Okay, sama ada dia nak angkut barang-barang tu nak guna forklift ke, nak guna pallet jack ke, nak guna front loader ke, ataupun device jacking yang lain. A small, low portable platform on which goods are placed for storage or moving, as in a warehouse or vehicle. Dia ni kecil je, dia punya size dia. Rendah dan juga portable. Maknanya kita boleh angkatlah hulu kilirnya. Bermakna selalunya barang-barang kita akan letakkan dan kita akan alihkan barang-barang ni menggunakan platform ni lah tadi. A pallet is the structural foundation of a unit load which allows handling and storage efficiencies. Pallet load ni tadi dia adalah struktur asas lah yang mana membenarkan untuk kita nak mengangkut barang, nak menyimpan dengan cekap. Kalau tengok kat sini, this is the plastic pallet lah Pallet tu ada colour kuning, biru, merah, hitam, macam-macam lah. But this is the normal one, kayu, pallet kayu. Yang awak tengok ni kat sini adalah yang baru biru muda ni. And then ada juga, what is the difference between pallet kayu dengan pallet plastik ni? Difference dia ialah daripada material je lah. Tetapi kita kena tengok juga item apa yang kita nak carry. Alright. So bila kita tahu apa item yang kita nak angkat, jadi kita tahu dia sesuai pakai kayu atau pakai plastik. Yeah. Alright. So this is normally what we are going to look at lah. Okay, next. Box pallet. Yang ni pula dalam bentuk kotak Box pallet, wood pallet, plastic pallet. Okay, box shape with solid sides made from steel sheet. Useful for carrying small components. Usually have drop sides to facilitate loading and unloading. Right, so this is about box pallet. Okay, wood pallet ni macam kita kata tadi lah. Sekarang kalau awak tengok kan ada banyak perabot kayu pallet kan. Alright. So kayu-kayu ni nampak je lembut tapi tahan dan keras. Okay, jadi bila dia buat perabot pun, perabot tu nampak kukuh. Okay. So penting lah, banyak manfaat dia lah wood pallet, kayu pallet ni. Okay, next. Okay, sekarang ni hand pallet truck, pallet jack, powered pallet truck, manual stacker truck. So ini antara pallet-pallet ni lah. Jadi kita nak explain kan. Okay. Alright, untuk hand pallet truck have hydraulic pump to enable the operator to lift a pallet sufficiently to be able to move it across the warehouse floor. Right, hand pallet trucks ni dia ada pump hidrolik yang membolehkan operator tu dia boleh angkat pallet tu dengan baik dan mudah untuk dia gerakkan dia ke keseluruhan warehouse tu. They are cost effective for transferring pallets across short distances. Okay, untuk hand pallet truck ni sangat cost effective lah. Sebab dia tak ada maintenance, penyelenggaraan dia kurang. Tak banyaklah kos penyelenggaraan dia sebab kita boleh angkat dia untuk kita gunakan dia dalam jarak yang dekat. Okay. Pallet trucks have a lift ability up to 800 mm in height. So ketinggian pallet truck ni dia mampu untuk mengangkat beban tu sehingga 800 mm. Tinggian dia 800 mm. Apa kalau kita buat lagi tinggi? Lagi tinggi ada tendensi untuk berlaku kecederaan, ada potensi untuk berlaku kemalangan sebab ini adalah nilai yang optimum lah. Lebih daripada itu akan ada risiko untuk barang tu jatuh. Alright. That is about hand pallet trucks. What about pallet jack? Also known as pallet truck, pallet pump, scooter, dog or jigger. Is a tool used to lift and move pallets. Pallet jack ni adalah bertujuan untuk kita angkat dan gerakkan pallet lah. Pallet jack are the truck most basic form of a forklift and are intended to move pallets within a warehouse. Okay, pallet jack ni adalah truck yang basic lah dalam bentuk forklift dan dia akan boleh membantu untuk kita menggerakkan pallet ni dalam warehouse. Powered pallet trucks are used for loading, unloading and picking full carton. Although item picking is possible and for pallet transfer duties to and from the receiving and dispatch areas, they can be supplied as pedestrian, stand-on or seated versions. Alright. So powered pallet trucks. Okay, powered pallet trucks ni digunakan untuk kita mengangkat, untuk kita masukkan barang atau mengeluarkan barang ataupun kita nak ambil full carton. Okay, so they can be supplied as pedestrian, stand-on or seated version. Okay, untuk manual stacker truck, alright. So manual stacker truck are an economical alternative to a forklift truck, and because of their smaller size and weight, can be used in small spaces. Kebaikan untuk manual stacker truck ni, dia sangat ekonomi, right? Sebab apa? Saiznya kecil dan juga dia ringan dan dia sangat-sangat membantu untuk digunakan dalam ruang-ruang yang sempit lah, yang kecil. Ideal for warehousing and light manufacturing applications. Alright, sangat-sangat baiklah untuk kita gunakan untuk warehouse kita, dan kalau kita nak gunakan aplikasi perkilangan yang ringan ni lah. Okay, manual stacker trucks have a 1,000 kilogram lift capacity up to 3 meters depending on the model. Okay, manual stacker truck ni dia berkeupayaan untuk mengangkat beban sehingga 1,000 kilogram. Dan kalau kita tindihkan dia, barang tu boleh setinggi 3 meter. Apa jadi kalau lebih? Daripada 3 meter, so ada kebarangkalian untuk barang-barang tu boleh jatuh lah sebab dia tidak ada kestabilan. Alright? Ataupun barang-barang tu boleh jatuh ataupun boleh berlaku kekangan lah. Jadi yang kita ikutkan manual tu tadi, right? Jadi sebaik mungkin kita hanya stack dia setinggi dalam 3 meter saja. Itu pun dah cukup baik. Next, material handling equipment, horizontal movement versus vertical movement. Pergerakan yang menegak ataupun pergerakan yang vertikal lah. Okay, hand pallet jack. Okay, ni nak tunjuk apa yang sesuai untuk horizontal movement, apa yang sesuai untuk vertical. Kalau vertical movement yang sesuai, dia punya alatan adalah pallet stacker, counterbalance, reach trucks, man up order pickers, narrow aisle or turret trucks, articulated forklift trucks, flexi, bendy or aisle master. Kalau horizontal pula, truck dia handling equipment yang sesuai adalah hand pallet truck, pallet jack, powered pallet trucks, okay, tow tractors or tugs, automated guided vehicle or conveyor. Alright, ini adalah alat-alat bantuan bahan yang sesuai lah. Alright, next. Okay, so this is about hand pallet truck, gunakan tangan. So the description for moving simple item, used when mechanized and machine cannot be used for areas with space constraint, low floor loading. Alright, itu kalau barang-barang yang rendah tu boleh kita angkat sebab kita tak boleh nak angkat turun naik dia sebab kita kan akan operate dia secara manual pakai tangan je. Right, this is about powered pallet truck. Okay, also known as walkie. Alright, power pallet truck has pedestrian, stand-on or seated version. Okay, kalau you tengok kat sini kan yang ada pemegang dia ni, alright, so kadang-kadang dia ada kerusi. Kadang-kadang dia tak ada kerusi, dia hanya ada tempat yang berdiri. So bergantung lah. Right, so that's why dia boleh untuk pedestrian, dia boleh stand-on ataupun dia boleh ada kerusi, seated version. So operator tu, kalau jenis tu boleh berdiri, dia kena berdiri lah, dia tak boleh nak duduk. Kalau ada yang ada kerusi tu, dia boleh duduk. Alright. So for this one, powered pallet truck, it is battery operated. Okay, used for loading, unloading, picking and pallet transfer. Can travel longer distances than non-powered MHE. Sebab dia ada bateri, dia ada lebih kuasa lah. So jadi dia boleh bergerak dengan lebih lah dia punya jarak dia tu ya. Next, this after power pallet, and then this one is tow tractors, tugs. Alright. So tadi ni tow tractors ni dalam kes ni dia operator tu kena berdiri, dia tak ada kerusi, kena berdiri je. But the advantage is that you can tug. So kata boleh sambung-sambung dia punya chain ni tadi. Right? are utilized where distances are long and there is a requirement to move a number of pallets at the same time. Pallets can be loaded onto trailer, coupled to each other and towed to the required location. So kita boleh tow, kita boleh tarik serentak. Pasangkan je dia punya gigi dia tu. So sangkut je, cangkuk dia tu. So kita akan boleh angkut banyak barang dalam satu masa lah. So you can move a number of pallets at the same time. This is the advantage lah. Tow tractors we call it. This one is on conveyor. Ni conveyor yang bergerak ni. You can look into this later on. For this one is about pallet stacker. Can lift pallet up to 5 meters, suitable for smaller warehouse. Alright. So dia boleh angkat pallet ni, alright, setinggi 5 meter, right? Dan sangat sesuai untuk warehouse yang kecil lah. Next. Counterbalance forklift. Okay, the most common trucks to be found in warehouse. Banyak warehouse dia gunakan counterbalance forklift ni. Fast, flexible, versatile. Dia pantas, dia sangat fleksibel dan juga sangat multi-purpose lah. Versatile ni makna multi-purpose. Banyak kegunaan dia. Can palletize goods to and from racks up to 7 meters high and require Ls of 3 meters or more. Dia boleh dia boleh bawa pallet dan meletakkan dia rak tu lebih kepada 7 meter tinggi dan dia memerlukan ruang laluan tu, dia perlukan kurang-kurangnya 3 meter ataupun lebih. Sebab apa? Sebab dia nak bergerak tu perlukan ruang. Reach trucks. Reach trucks ni truck yang colour merah ni lah. Ideal for working within narrow aisle around 2.7 meter. So sangat sesuai untuk bekerja dekat ruang laluan yang sempit lah, yang 2.7 meter. Maximum lift height up to 12 meters. So dia boleh angkat barang daripada bawah ni sampailah 12 meter tinggi. Can operate in single and double deep racking. Macam kita belajar hari Ahad lepas. So you can use for single rack or double deep rack. Right? So dia boleh tolak masuk dalam lagi. This is reach trucks. A man up order pickers. Okay. Are utilized where there are large number of product lines which cannot be accommodated solely in ground floor locations. This requires picking from height and automation is not an option. Very slow process. Okay. So you know this is not automatic. It is being done mechanically and with the assistance of human here. So this guy is the one who do the picking process. Okay. Then articulated forklift trucks, flexi, bendy, aisle master. Okay, kalau jenis yang macam ni, dia articulated, dia akan boleh gerak. Can eliminate the function of counterbalance truck and reach truck aisle with less than 2 meters. Dia punya kebaikan dia boleh bergerak dekat ruang laluan yang kurang daripada 2 meter. Kalau counterbalance truck tadi dia kena 3 meter. Kalau reach truck tadi dia kena ruang laluan dia 2.7 meter. Tapi yang ni advantage dia hanya perlukan ruang 2 meter je dia boleh gerak. Training can take longer period sebab mesin ni agak complicated. This vehicle is a bit complicated to handle. So it requires a longer training for the operator, for them to master, because dia boleh flexi, dia boleh bendy, dia boleh gerak-gerak kan. Okay, specialized equipment. Not all unit load can be moved or picked up by standard pallet forks. Therefore, specialized material handling equipment are needed. Example of specialized material handling equipment: extended fork, crane attachment, boom attachment, drum grip and lamp, load lamp, carton clamp, rotating paper roll, double pallet handlers, slip sheet attachment. Ni equipment yang agak spesifik lah. Right, jadi dia hanya boleh tugas yang spesifik. Yang macam kita bincangkan tadi tu dia boleh general. Right, technology advances. Manufacturers of material handling equipment continually looking to introduce new technology to enhance the capabilities of MHE. para pengilang, secara berterusan ni cuba untuk memperkenalkan teknologi baru dalam membantu untuk meningkatkan keupayaan material handling equipment alat bantuan kita ni lah. In addition, manufacturers also looking to alternative energy sources and reduction of energy consumption. Sebagai contohnya, sebagai tambahan, para pengilang juga sedang melihat alternatif untuk menggunakan sumber-sumber alternatif dan dapat mengurangkan penggunaan tenaga. Contoh, the new automated pallet scanning and identification solution embedded part of the forklift truck thus brings considerable time and efficiency advantages. Ni new automated pallet scanning, forklift truck with RFID, bukan dekat atas highway je ada RFID ni, alright. So forklift pun ada guna RFID, radio frequency infrared detector. Technology enables warehouse management system to automatically guide the forklift to the right location. It is also able to recognize any errors during the peak, either in terms of productivity, in terms of product or quantity. Hybrid vehicles and hydrogen fuel cells. So these are also another alternative whereby manufacturers are looking into doing hybrid, or they want to implement vehicle with hydrogen fuel cells, because we want to reduce the consumption of extra we want to reduce the energy usage, so you can reduce energy consumption, and then we are looking for sustainability. All right, that's all. Thank you very much. We completed the chapter 4.4, topic 4.3, and also topic 4.4. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Right.
Doctor,
Yes.
Doctor, I want to ask about the individual assignment.
Okay.
For the task 1 is our written report.
Okay.
Task 2 is our slides of the report.
Okay.
And then the task 3 is the video presentation of our written report with our face on, and then a summary.
You can put your face on, or you don't want to put your face, no issue. The most important is the content.
Okay, so the task 3 is a video presentation of our written report.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Doctor.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that's all for now. Yes, any question? Yeah. 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 Okay. Okay. Use your own creativity. Okay.
Doctor,
3 minit.
Doctor, for the summary of the video, do we have any words limitation?
I am hoping that you can write less than 250 words.
All right. Thank you, Doctor.
Alright, that's all for now. Kita tangguhkan kelas kita dengan tasbih kifarah dan surah wa'as.